This video is about a special trading indicator called the RSI Momentum Divergence Zones by TradingView. What makes it so interesting is how it takes those subtle shifts in market momentum that the traders sometimes sense and turns them into visible price levels right on your chart. In this walkthrough, we'll cover what the indicator is, how it works, and how you can put it into action in your own trading. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to tap that like button. So let's jump in. To start using this tool, like always, you'll need to head over to TradingView, which is the charting platform I'll be using throughout this video. If you don't already have an account, there's a link down in the description so you can use it to sign up. Once you're in, load up any chart you'd like. Click on Indicators and type in RSI Momentum Divergence Zones. The one you want is made by TradingView. Big shout out to them, by the way. And here it is, folks, the RSI Momentum Divergence Zones indicator in all its glory. It's a smart piece of tech that identifies where a hidden buying or selling pressure is forming by spotting divergences and then plots those areas as support and resistance zones right on your price chart. Once you add it, here's what you will notice. Underneath your main chart, you'll see an RSI oscillator, but it isn't the standard RSI you might be used to. It's a momentum-based version. Instead of just tracking relative strength, this one focuses on the speed of price movements. That tweak makes it quicker at detecting when momentum starts shifting. On this oscillator, you'll see labels like bull or bear pop up, showing exactly when a divergence has been confirmed. But the real magic happens on your main chart. You'll see icons like a bull or bear marker on the candle that caused the divergence. Even better, the indicator will draw horizontal colored zones that stretch out from that candle. Those zones are the core of the tool, turning what used to be an abstract divergence signal into an actual price level you can trade from. Now let's check out the settings. Of course, you can customize the colors for bullish and bearish zones however you'd like, but the real power is in how you manage signals. You have the option to switch the automatic divergence detection on or off. You can also adjust the RSI length. A longer setting will give you fewer signals, but they tend to be more meaningful and longer term. A shorter setting, though, will generate more frequent signals, which can be handy if you're trading shorter time frames. And to keep things from getting overwhelming, there's also a setting called Quantity Divergence Zones. This lets you limit how many zones display on your chart at once, say the last 5 or 10. So that's you're always focused on what's relevant right now. Now, how do you actually trade with this? The big idea is to treat when the green bullish divergence zones as possible demand areas or floors where buyers might show up. On the flip side, treat the red bearish divergence zones as potential supply areas or ceilings where sellers might step in. You're not just taking trades blindly whenever a zone appears. Instead, you're watching closely to see how price behaves when it comes back to one of these levels. You see signs of a bounce or rejection? That's your potential too. For example, in a bullish setup, you might see price dip into a green zone, hold there, and then print a bullish candle formation. That's a possible entry. For a bearish setup, it works the opposite way at a red zone. These levels also serve as smart reference points for risk management. They can be logical spots to place your stop loss, often just on the other side of the zone. Or you might use them as take profit levels if the price is moving in their direction. One key point to keep in mind, these signals are confirmed, not predictive. The indicator waits for several candles to close to be sure a divergence really formed. So it's not about calling exact tops or bottoms in real time. Instead, what it excels at is immediately plotting a level as soon as a turning point has been confirmed. And these zones aren't static, they're dynamic. They'll keep extending to the right across your chart as long as the price respects them. If price breaks one strongly, that zone disappears and often switches to a dashed line, letting you know the level is no longer valid. This feature helps filter out weaker signals and keeps your focus on zones the market is actively responding to. Here's something exciting. If I were you, I wouldn't be spending from my own pocket to trade when you can get funded easily. And how to do that is what my friend Michael is about to tell you.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure with Funded Next. You trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with Funded Next. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get? Don't be with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day, and if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join Funded Next today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next.
So to sum it up, the RSI Momentum Divergence Zones indicator is really about taking the invisible and making it visible. It grabs those hidden clues from momentum divergences and converts them into solid, tradable support and resistance levels right on your chart. This makes it much easier to see where a change in momentum actually turned into a price structure you can plan around, giving you a clear anchor for your analysis. Just remember, this isn't financial advice though. The strategy shown here is based only on indicators, and you should always combine it with your own price action or fundamental analysis before placing trades. Also keep in mind that the past performance doesn't guarantee future results. If this video brought you value, go ahead and leave a like. And better yet, subscribe so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.